How to add Google Drive Scan widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on Widgets. After that, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on Drive. Next, touch and hold on the Drive Scan widget, and then drag it to your home screen and let go. And here you say you must have at least one Google account set up. So in order for us to use Google Drive, you need to sign into Google account. We can do that by going to settings. And from here, we can go to apps and account, or accounts and backup here. And here we can tap on manage accounts and then tap on add account and then select Google. From here, simply add in your Google account. Okay, so simply sign to your Google account and then tap on next. Okay, so once you've signed into Google, go back to your home screen and go into Widgets. Now tap on Drive and then we try it again. Drag and drop your Drive scan onto your home screen. This time you can see it will open up and it's an upload scan to, and then choose your drive. So here, select a folder. So here, I'll see if I can choose a folder. There's an untitled folder here. Maybe I can choose that one and then tap on select. Okay, so that's it. So now we have added to the home screen. Okay, so we can test it out. Here we can scan a document, and then here we tap on the button, and it will attempt to scan, and then tap on done. Then it will be uploaded to that selected folder here as the default, and then tap on saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.